This video will show you how to remove and reinstall a battery on this Toyota Corolla. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the battery, we're going to start by removing our negative battery terminal from the battery itself. It's held in place with a 10mm mounting nut. Let's loosen that enough that we can remove the terminal end from the battery. Now once you have that off of there, we're going to set it aside so it's making no contact with the battery terminal, and we'll make our way over towards the positive battery terminal next. Now we'll start removing the battery hold down. You're going to find that you have two pieces of 10mm hardware. You'll have a mounting bolt along the front, and then you'll have an adjustment mounting nut along the rear. Let's start by loosening that mounting nut first. A thorough inspection of that, we will be reusing it. Replace it as necessary. On the forward side, remove that mounting bolt. Lift up on the battery hold down and remove it from the area. Let's take hold of the battery and lift it up and out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of your battery, it's a good idea to make sure you clean each one of your terminal ends, especially on the inside. Any corrosion will cause a draw on the battery. I'm just going to use a wire brush for this. We'll make our way around the inside and along the outside as well. If you found you have a large buildup of corrosion, you can also use some baking soda with some water if necessary. This one looks fine. Let's repeat the process for the negative terminal next. Now we'll prepare the battery for installation. We're using a battery terminal cleaner brush, and we're going to remove anything that might be on the surface of the terminals, whether it's corrosion or even any type of sealer. Just going to use a rag. We'll give this a quick wipe, a close inspection, and now we can install that battery. We'll bring the battery into position. We have the negative terminal facing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Now we'll install the battery hold down. We'll make sure we have it in the proper orientation. As we bring this underneath the battery handle, we'll make sure that we have the rearward rod in place. While holding pressure on that, I'm going to slide it through the hold down. Start on that mounting nut. On the opposite side, we have our 10mm mounting bolt. Once you have both pieces of hardware started in, tighten the bolt first. The rearward nut is the adjustment mounting nut. For that, we just want to make sure the battery is secure, but we don't want to crush it in any way, which can cause damage. All right. Double check to confirm the battery cannot move around. You don't want this battery shifting and potentially hitting up against something, which can be dangerous. Now it's time for the positive terminal. Slide that onto the battery. Once it's down as far as possible, we'll tighten the 10mm mounting nut, holding this in position. Double check to make sure you have positive contact and protect the area. You can use a cover or you can use a battery protectant spray, whatever's best for you. Once the positive's complete, it's time for the negative battery terminal. Same process, slide it in position, make sure it's snug, protect the area. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our vehicle's battery. The next thing you want to do is hop in the passenger compartment and test the functionality. Assuming everything functions as it should, close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.